Welcome to our listing at 2674 Stellar Loop in the Summit at Meridian subdivision located in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29577. This is in the heart of Market Commons, so we're just a golf cart ride to the beach. So this home is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home. The great thing about it, you've got all of your bedrooms upstairs, so your living space is all downstairs, which separates that, so you get people that come over and you don't want to clean up or make the bed, you don't have to worry about it. All right, that's the half bath that's downstairs. This is a smart home as well, so you can tell there are dual temperatures or dual zones for AC, so you can control downstairs and upstairs. I'm just going to quickly show you. So here's the stairway to get upstairs. You've got a window right there, so nice and bright. And as we come into the main room here, let me just say this is access to the garage door right there. Might as well just give you a little peek into that. It is a regular water heater that they have. Here is the kitchen. You have to see I don't think this camera is going to do this justice, but the beautiful granite countertops that are in here have kind of a maroon cherry color on them. They have added extra shelving for the pantry. This is the gas side of the subdivision, so you do have a gas stove versus electric. Let me just do a quick turn here so you can kind of see where we've been. If you're looking,
you have all your entertaining here. So while you're cooking, prepping, you have your dining room as well, and then the family room right here. So whether it be a regular night with your kids, or you're having friends or family over for the 4th of July, you're never lost in interacting with everyone. It's really a beautiful concept. I
think they had at least 3, if not 4 bar stools there because you've got that extra little space. It's very nice because this is rounded. Again, trying to see if I can get a spot that will show you the, yeah, there you go. Maybe a little bit of that, show you a little bit of maroon. It's just enough.
And then the water view out of the window to your left as well is really nice.
Yep, we're gonna peek out here. Actually, Todd's gonna help us so you really get to see what it looks like out there. But this is a really unique one because if you're on the water, they do not let you have a privacy fence. You actually have to have a wrought iron fence. So you're not really private, but in this situation, because they kind of are at an angle view of here, they are allowed to have it.
Corner lot.
It is a corner lot that doesn't obstruct it, absolutely. There is a pretty big doggy door already built in if you have a pet. All right. This is a real low maintenance backyard. We've got
Privacy, but yeah, not a whole lot of upkeep.
Yeah, low maintenance. You could have some flowers or, veggies or raised beds or whatnot back here. You could even go ahead and extend the patio out further if you'd like a little bit more area. But otherwise, it's pretty low maintenance. All right, coming back in. Again, we've got, this was the living room area. I'm gonna just walk over here so I can give you some just different dynamics and views of it. There is a plug in the floor right there. So if you set things up correctly, you should be having no problem putting in like a table lamp.
And lamps and or recliners or couches that are electric as well.
Yeah, absolutely.
And then a unique feature in this closet, they made use of the space underneath the stairwell.
No, I just did that, but it's dark in there, so I couldn't tell.
Yeah.
But here, put that
But
back
you
for
have
just a second,
additional-
Todd. So they went under the stairway where you can tell it was added on. So this was the end of the closet. They added on. They have put this little area in here, and therefore they have added, you're not going to be able to see, but they have added a whole bunch of storage in there to store a lot of Christmas stuff.
Exactly, this is their Christmas area.
But it goes all the way from there under this stairwell. So you can imagine a lot of extra space there. So let's go on upstairs. Again, we've got LVP flooring downstairs here. It carries on upstairs. Again, a bright, beautiful window.
Natural light.
This home is just over 2,300 heated square feet and just over 2,700 total square footage, including the garage. So when you get to the top of the stairs, you kind of got an array of areas where you can go. Off to the right here, you have got your laundry room. No washer and dryer, but you've got the hookups and some extra hanging spaces.
And everything is up here with all the rooms, so you're not having to take it upstairs and downstairs.
Then this is bedroom number 1. Really good sized bedrooms. And
Nice
again,
sized
in there, really nice sized closets as well. It goes on both sides of that. It is a corner lot, so you've got a window there. Back here again, laundry room, downstairs. At this point in time, we can come over here, and this is where you will find your second bedroom. There's a mount for a TV up there.
They also did some electrical so that things are already set up so you don't have to have an extension cord.
Kind of hidden, so you're not
Right.
gonna have wires running everywhere. All right, so come out. Again, there's your second floor dual zone HVAC. In here, you've got your third bedroom. Again, wall mount for TV.
And again, electrical that's going behind the wall.
Yep, let's see.
And then this is the only closet that does have a light, but it's a little bigger as well. It's a semi walk-in.
Yeah, really good sized closet. All right, just to give you a view of,
And then this room has a water view as well.
these blinds just raise up and they stay in place. But you can see you've got a water view, you've got the fountain going on out there.
Very peaceful.
Yep. You're looking at somebody's side of their house, you're not having to stare at somebody else's windows. Coming out here, here is the full-size bath that's on the second floor.
With transom lighting as well for
Yep.
extra light.
There's transom lighting over the tub. This is a tub shower combo.
Very large vanity too. Plenty of counter space.
Yeah. All right. And last but not least, there is a
One other point is that you have available storage here as well with a pull down and stairs.
to get to the attic. This is the master bedroom.
This is huge.
So first, when you walk in, you've got one closet. That's a walk-in. And again, lots of natural light. You've got tray ceilings.
Water views.
Yep. I'm not sure what this design is called, but they did have their, no,
Oh,
not that. I'm not sure, they had, just with the sides here, but they had their bed, the like facing, this way.
It was a
And
king.
it was a king bed.
With 2 end tables.
If you look at the MLS listing, you'll be able to see what it looked like while they had their furniture in place here. And it just looked like it made the most sense and made this room still, took advantage of every
Got a large seating area here.
section
And
of
again, the TV mounted with a swivel, and
Yep.
again with the electric, it's hidden.
We'll go in here. So you are going to have a plethora of storage again. So you've got a linen closet there. You have got the water closet in here. You come on in, you have got another closet. Just as big as the other one.
Sorry, can I get more light in here?
Oh,
So the
good.
vanities are split for each side.
Yep.
They're the same size and the closets are the same size, so husbands finally get a fair shake.
All right, so we've got a walk-in shower. Again, lots and lots of natural light with this house. Even more storage. So just to give you a different angle. This really is a blank canvas for somebody to come in and be able to put your own, it's painted white, but you can come in and put your own stamp on it. And
Neutral floors, neutral carpet.
Yep. Carpet is only upstairs. And again, we love living next to the pond area, the water view, and having those, the fountains. It's just really refreshing and nice. And so anyway, that is what we've got. So this is, again, the address for this is 2674 Stellar Loop in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29577. And we are Angie and Todd Hermanns, the Hermanns Team with Century 21 Broadhurst, 949-306-1903. Thank you. Have a great day.